Wow.
Look what you got here, guys.
Ta-da-da. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, as you can see, we have unboxing to do. And guess what guys, I have a big surprise for you. Someone is going to be joining us to do this unboxing today. And guess who that person is? Guess who guys? Guess. Drum rolls. Look who we have here guys. My
Hello,
darling
guys.
husband. Mwah.
I'm not doing now. Okay, let's get it started.
All right. Okay guys, so you are going to be sitting down on that chair as the company's executive officer. So he's going to be taking over my chair today. Okay, so let's get started guys. Okay guys, let's get started. Baby, should I put this down or what do you...
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I don't need to stand up. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to be asking my husband some few questions as we are doing this unboxing. So sit back, relax. You're going to enjoy this episode. You know, you don't get to see my husband in my channel, right? In my videos, right? So guys, sit back, relax, and watch this till the end. Okay, I think I will have to give you this.
No, it's fine.
It's fine,
Yes.
okay. So I should just...
All right. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. You can just hold it. Yeah.
Okay, so look what we got here. Hot selling products. Yeah. Look what we got here.
Yeah.
So this is selfie stick. I think I've taught you guys, like, it's one of the hot selling products I've talked about in one of my videos. Wow, this is okay. It has lights. Wow, this is nice. So it's rechargeable. It is multifunctional. You know, it has LED lights. Look at it. So how do I turn it on?
See.
Wow. Let me see.
The button is behind.
Okay, the button is okay. Let me do my own. Okay. I think the battery is low. It has to be charged. This battery.
Yeah.
So it has other colors. So this is hot selling product. So if you need it, you know my Instagram handle, come and buy from us. Okay. So baby, I want to ask you one question. What advice do you have for upcoming entrepreneur, especially those who want to start China importation? What advice do you have for them?
So first thing first is to be resilient. Yeah. You have to bring in your spirit of resilience, because definitely in Nigeria that we are, we've got loads of challenges. Yeah. So number one skill you need to have, it's the the skill of resilience, because from shopping for your goods to shipping your goods to taking delivery of your goods and arrival of your goods and selling off your goods, you'll be faced with different challenges. So you have to be resilient and keep faith alive. That's the only way you can make the money from the business. But if you give up, if you're someone who gives up easily, then trust me, you find it difficult to succeed. But if you are resilient, then trust me, the sky is just a starting point, regardless of the challenges that we have in the country.
Yeah, the sky is just a starting point, regardless of the challenges, like he said. You guys, I've ever told you something about my husband. Anyway, I've never ever discussed him here. But let me tell you one secret. My husband is very intelligent. Know that now. And is a professor in the making. Professor. Okay, we have enough quantity. I think this one is color black. You guys need to see.
Black. I think there's black in the other carton.
Okay, they teach it white.
These are about, I think,
all these are
pieces.
white.
These 100 pieces.
100 pieces.
Yeah.
So guys, it's available in wholesale. If you want to buy, we have it's available in wholesale, okay,
and retail too.
and retail. So
Chicken
those of
and
you who
meat.
want to start content creation, this can go. If you want to start, you just want to start, this can go for content creation. You want anywhere you want to go for vlogging, is good. You know, just bring it out. It's very portable. Put it in your handbag and bring it out, and boom, you start your vlogging. Okay, so let us open the next one.
Complete.
Yeah. So
Yeah, this is
the second box.
This is the black.
Okay, they put the two,
Yeah.
one color in one
Yeah.
pattern. Okay, I see. So this is the black. Oh my god, I think I prefer the black. What do you guys think? Do you prefer the black or white? And there's something I noticed about it. This is removable.
Yeah. So
Can you imagine? This is removable, detachable.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's so strong.
And
Look
put
at
it on
it.
charge.
It's so okay. You charge this one separately.
Yeah,
Oh,
with the cord. It comes with the
look
cord.
at it. This is the cord. You can charge only this one separately. The LED light, okay, and it comes with remote.
Yeah.
I can't.
Have you
Can
seen
you help
it?
me to remove the remote? This is where the remote is. I
See,
think the
that's the
remote is
slide
also.
up.
This one is hard. It's hard. I can't do it. Please help me.
Okay.
Teach me how to.
Yeah. Show you.
Okay.
Up. Slide.
Okay, up first before you
Yes.
slide. Guys, can you see that? It's not that when you buy it, you will not be struggling to, just the way I did right now. So up first, like this, then you slide. I got it! So the remote is also detachable. So see it, you can use it as you like. For selfie, I can
It is about 100 pieces black.
So the black is also 100 pieces. Like I said, it's available in wholesale. If you want to buy, just send me a DM on Instagram and we're going to deliver it to you wherever you are, all over the world. Yeah, yep. So I like the fact that
The light is detachable. Yeah.
Yes, I like it a lot. So there you go. So it comes with a manual, so you can learn how to fix it when
How
you
to
get
use
there.
it
How to
properly.
use it properly when you get
You
one
can
for
own
yourself.
one for yourself.
So we have more things to
So these are
unbox.
100 pieces in this pack.
Okay. I have another question. So, what does it take to own a thriving online business, or what does it take to start online business?
What does it entail to start an online business? Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot actually, but to start off, you literally just need the zero. I would say the first currency you need is that motivation, that intrinsic motivation. You know, self-driven motivation. That's what you need.
Because you know some people procrastinate a lot. They want to start this online business and they'll be like, I don't even know how to. I don't know where to start from. Or what advice do you have for people who are in it already, and you know maybe they are going through one thing or the other? Or how can one keep going? You know, stay consistent. What does it take to stay consistent?
Well, in a country like Nigeria, trust me, you just have to be prepared. That's the word. You have to be prepared because anything can happen. Okay, your goods can be delayed. Yeah, dollar can fluctuate. Yeah, so you need to be prepared. Preparation is the key. So in the times when the tides are a bit steady and the income is or the sales is flowing, you understand, you need to diversify. You need to do what? Have enough, emergency cash, and of course service your, when I say service your different sources of income, so that at the point where a particular product is not selling, you have another product selling. So that's a diversification. Yeah, and go and not just focus on the product alone. You can also put one or two services into it. So that way, if product A or service A is not giving the right income, you have the leverage of product B and C and D and even E and F.
Yeah.
So that way you have that perception of things being balanced. That's the way to go in Nigeria. Yeah.
Okay.
Are we doing this? Are we doing this now?
Of
Are you
course.
sure? Are you guys ready for this one?
Of course we are.
All right.
Where do we
Okay.
start from? We need to be careful.
Let's start here. Simple.
Wow!
Look what you got here, guys.
Banana lapel microphone, wireless microphone. Oh my god. So this is what you need to start content creation. You see me using mine every time. This is it right here. So if you have been looking for how to purchase this, come on guys, come and get your own K9. This is K9 wireless microphone.
It is suitable for both Android.
No, this one is for iPhone.
That's
This
for
one's
iPhone,
yeah. All these ones are iPhone.
Okay.
This one's iPhone. Maybe this one is for Android, I guess. Because
Type C,
I think,
okay, that's Type C. Android is
okay.
K8. Here.
Okay, this one is Type C. So guys, this, if you go to anywhere, supermarket or Instagram, they are selling for 16,500 naira. But we are going to give you a discount. Don't worry, just come to our DM. We're going to get it for lower amount. Okay, we're going to give you guys, just say you are from my YouTube channel and you are going to get a discount for this. So we have a lot of them here. So let's see what is here. Okay, see the selfie. What did they
A
package?
different brand. I think this was more expensive from a different seller.
Oh,
Thank you.
the same thing.
Same thing, like
This one is
different
color pink of the selfie ring glass. Eh? Is it ring glass? Selfie stick. Wait, are you sure it's not? What did I say earlier? So I think I'm going for the color pink. I have one selfie stick though, but I'm going to collect this one as well. The color pink is so fine. I love it.
This one is not coming with glass.
It has now. Look at it. Did that one fall inside? Maybe it fell inside.
It fell inside. Yeah, that's all?
Have you seen it?
No.
Yeah, that's all for today's unboxing video. Thanks for watching. I hope we learned one or two things today in this unboxing video. This one is a special unboxing video, right? So guys, if you are new here, you know what to do. Click on the subscribe button so that you will always get notification from YouTube whenever I upload new video. And do well to send me a DM if you want to learn more about importation. And guess what guys, go to my importation playlist. There's a lot of videos there for you to watch. If it's your first time here, you want to know more about this channel importation, go to my importation playlist on this channel, playlists on this channel, and watch more so that you have more in-depth insight about importation from A to Z. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Do you have any word for my subscribers?
Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep following, check on the link, and see you guys later. Cheers.
Bye bye.